My name is Renata Leite-Pittman and I am a scientist.
This presentation is about training local children to conduct a Bioblitz in the Araucaria and Atlantic forests. I prepared an invitation and sent to my neighbors in Brazil who are parents of young children. Because of COVID-19, I limited the group to 5 children already part of the same pot. My co-workers Ali and Mel hosted the kids and prepared the logistics at my private reserve in Brazil. Since I am near Chicago, I gave my presentation and interacted with kids via Zoom. Kids brought phones and iPads to follow the presentation. I start presenting the research I did for my master studying jaguars in the Atlantic forest. I showed them maps where jaguars live and pointed to the locations of their houses. They realized they live at the jaguar range. Then I show another map with the original size of the Atlantic forest 100 years ago and now. I asked them to guess what percentage is left. Some guessed 10%, some 5%, and they did right. Zooming to their houses, I show pictures before and after of the area we collectively restored. I asked them to look closer at the picture and point to the areas with and without forest and ask how they look different. Looking at the picture and seeing blank spaces, they realized that to take the granite, the forest above is taken too. Then I talk about granite uses and ask them examples of granite use they know. Sculptures, cemeteries, bathrooms, kitchens, roads are among the uses that came up. I asked them if it was totally necessary to use granite for those items or if they could be substituted by other items that do not impact nature. I went even deeper and asked, is there something abundant on earth that we must find a way to use? Some concluded, plastic trash. We talk about the efforts we made to assist natural regeneration, including eliminating introduced and invasive plants, planting natives, and controlling the erosion. I gave them few examples of very common natives, introduced and invasive plants around them. I showed them how to record biodiversity at my reserve using iNaturalist. Then I showed the program SEEK and how to log in at iNaturalist using SEEK. It is important to take pictures of the animals with full body and from different angles. Mushrooms are important to photograph its undersides besides the sides. Plants are important to photograph leaves, flowers, fruits, and barks if possible. We can also take pictures with camera traps of nocturnal or shy animals. I explain its use and Ali and Mel installed with them. And off they go to take pictures. On the way back, they brought pictures of one species of native, one of introduced, and one of invasive plants very common in our area, fuchsia a Gesneriaceae, and Rubus. Reviewing the camera trap a week later, they were very happy to find an opossum recorded. We can wait to learn together about all other species living around us.